Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am starting a new vlog today because it is my second official move-in day. And yesterday we got all the furniture, built everything, and it looks so good, but I haven't unpacked any of my suitcases. Like, I have 4 suitcases that are just sitting in the corner of my room back there. And I need to organize everything, unpack everything, and then I'm gonna put my suitcases away. I wanna organize my desk, set up my mirror, set up all the little things that I purchased in the last couple weeks. But I'm excited because I am first starting off with my closet. Right now it's completely empty, and I'm just going to slowly unpack everything, and then I will show you guys the finished product. This is what my closet looks like right now. It's just totally empty. It's really cute. I am a little concerned if it'll fit everything, but I have a lot of hangers, so I think I shouldn't have any problems. This shelf I want to put in the bathroom, so I have to see where it fits. But yeah, and then my desk is totally empty besides my makeup bag that I was putting on. So yeah, that is the setup. All right, so here's the update. I just unzipped all my suitcases, and I was looking for my hangers, and they're actually in this suitcase, I think, because this has all my home stuff. So I have like my mirror that I want to put on my desk. I have this little bathroom caddy thing, some kitchen stuff. I'm going to open this. I do not know if I have enough hangers. To be honest, I definitely don't. So I'm gonna have to buy a new pack, I think, but for now, I'm gonna put as much up as I can and hope for the best. I have this cute thing for my desk as well. I'm just going to put everything in my closet now. So here is how it looks a little bit. It is not full, it's not done by any means. Obviously I have a lot of clothes I still need to hang up. I'm actually doing a lot of laundry, so once I'm done with that, I'll hang up the rest of my clothes. I have all my shoes right here. I have my cute little Air Force Ones over there, and I have some bedding there that I haven't put on my bed yet because I actually have this white comforter that's already on my bed. It's a work in progress at the moment. Hi guys, so I'm in the supermarket right now, and we just found a huge capabro. I have my little stuff because I took a break from unpacking because I wanted to stock up the kitchen. We just went to a fresh market, and now we are at the actual grocery store. So I'm so excited because this is the best grocery store ever, and it's huge. It's absolutely massive down here. Crazy. Love it. So I need to get some household necessities options for granola. This one says no sugar added, so that's actually really good. I might get a big thing of muesli. We can try it. They literally have one sauce. That's my favorite. Smells so good. I'm back from the grocery store. Got some muesli, jam, pasta sauce. I got a pineapple. I got some tomatoes, onions, garlic, yogurt for smoothies, which I have to put in the fridge. Here is my shelf of pantry items, and we have some community items here. I have some yogurt, some jam, my eggs, and these are all my produce and fruit. Good morning, you guys. Today I would like to go to IKEA again. I want to get a small shelf that I can put baskets in, that I can put my loungewear, my workout clothes, my sweaters and jeans and stuff like that, because I like to hang up shirts and dresses. I didn't vlog so much yesterday because I was just trying to get my closet together. It rained last night, so it's a little bit cooler in Barcelona today, which is why I'm wearing this outfit. But I will show you guys also my update to my room. So here's my bed. I'm obsessed with it. These 2 pillows I got from Zara Home. My comforter is this color, or my duvet is this color, but this apartment is furnished, and it came with this cute, good quality, new white duvet. And so I'm like, do I just keep it and then not use my tan one, or should I try to see if my tan one will fit this size blanket? I don't know what to do, but I have my 2 nightstands because I sit at the bed, and I have this cute little mirror, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep here, but I have this little drawer. In the top drawer is all my medicine, so I brought a lot of medicine. I have like coldies, vitamin C, probiotics, all kinds of stuff in here. And then this is my COVID and contacts drawer. So I have like a couple packs of masks that I use, and then I have a lot of hand sanitizer bottles and my contacts. And yeah, that's the organization for this nightstand. The other nightstand has my normal stuff like my chargers, technology, books, and this one is more like medicine and contacts. So that is my little room update for now. I'm going to walk over and I'm going to meet with Julian, my boyfriend. We are here for the 1,000,000th time at IKEA. So we're just looking for something, and I hope we can leave in like less than 30 minutes. All right, we made it through IKEA. I got the white shelf with 3 levels, I guess, and I only got 2 baskets, so we're trying to decide if we should go back to get the 3rd one. Got a few other things for the house as well, which I'll show you guys when we get back. But yeah, like 5th or 6th or 7th, 8th time is a charm. All right, we're sitting outside. There's a nice breeze. We're in the shade. We have all of our things here, our little food in there, and then all our IKEA stuff here. We have a couple hot dogs just as a snack. Just gonna hand sanitize our hands real quickly, have a little snack, and then we're gonna taxi to my apartment. So we're home now. Julian's helping build, well, he is building the entire white shelf, and I'm building these cute boxes. And I also need to finish building that mirror. I know it looks like it's built, but it's totally not. So I need to build that. And yeah, that's what we're working on. Progress has been made. This is the finished shelf. Last one. I think I want to leave like my desk on this wall and put the mirror on that wall, so when you walk in it's like very open. Or maybe I'll put these 2 shelves on that wall. I haven't decided. I just want to see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, I think I've done it. I think I figured it out. I absolutely love this layout. So I think that this is going to be the final product, aside from a few small changes, which I'm going to ask y'all's opinion on. But here's the door to my room, and this box, I'm gonna show you guys in a second. It's just full of the stuff I bought at IKEA today. But look how cute. It's my little desk area, and I have my little shelf that Julian built today, and these adorable baskets which match the mirror perfectly. And then up here I just have my perfume that I wear every single day pretty much, and this volcano room diffuser which I got back in America, and then I brought it with me in my suitcase. Here's my desk situation. I have my cute little chair, laptop, and then I have this little thing to hold pens and pencils, and I also have this extension cord or multiple plug outlet thing, so I can charge my phone with this. I can charge all my devices, and it actually perfectly wraps behind my wardrobe into this outlet. I have my dresser over here. We're gonna address this in just one second, but I love this dresser situation because if you guys remember before, my dresser was over here and my desk was on here, but because this dresser needs to open, I couldn't push it all the way to the wall. So I had this unused space next to my desk, which just I felt like became like a catch-all corner where I started just throwing junk, and then it got really messy really quick. And I'm pretty sure that's what would happen if I had kept it like that. And I don't know why, but I just love that I have a little nook here. I feel like this just looks like the most perfect nook, and I feel like it was meant to be. Obviously the wall is not painted where the boxes used to go, and I have one spare box here that I'm not using, and it does match the headboard behind my bed area, which by the way I didn't even show you guys, but here's my bed. They've tied the beds together so they won't fall apart, and I have my little lamps on either side of the nightstand. This one has a plant, and then I put this rug that I originally bought for my bathroom, but it doesn't match my bathroom. I put it next to my balcony, so if I ever go outside on my balcony and I want to like wipe my feet when I come in, I have this little mat. This is so bright, obviously, but I'm just doing this because I don't want to show exactly outside my window, but it looks so good and bright in here. And then I have my little mirror right here next to my dresser, and I'm in love. So my question to you guys is, should I put this box back up on the wall? I mean, it matches my room perfectly, so that's not an issue. And I think that I'm gonna need some storage space above my desk for my notebooks, and it doesn't unfortunately cover this section, so I might ask for the wall to be painted. This addition today just completed my room, I feel like, so I'm so happy. And now I'm going to chill on my bed. I'm gonna enjoy a few bites of this Ben & Jerry's ice cream that I picked up last night. I'm gonna call my mom. I'm gonna have a cozy afternoon because I'm probably gonna eat dinner at 9 p.m. tonight. So I have a couple hours that I can just relax, which is great, and edit videos and stuff like that. So I'm really excited. Okay, I like the hair. You guys, I am so cozy in my room. I love it so much. Like, this is, I think, the feeling I've been waiting to have, because quite literally, like, having my stuff just everywhere, and my backpacks and my purses and my clothes all over the place, like, and not having like enough place to store all my things, I just really felt like I was not like settled completely and like not moved in. And I still had that like living out of a suitcase feeling that I've had for like the past few weeks while I've been living here. And I feel like this is my home now, and I just keep walking in my room and I'm like so happy. Everything about this apartment I love. Like, the kitchen is perfect, the dining room's perfect, the living room's perfect, like the bathroom is so big, like everything is great. I'm just very grateful that I'm living here and that I have this like opportunity in my life. I just wanted to say thank you to you guys for sticking by me the past like 5-6 years, maybe more than that. I think it's definitely more than that, maybe like 7 years, I don't even know, that I've been on YouTube making videos and watching me go through different stages in my life and grow and change and develop into the person that I am now. It's like, what time is it actually? 9:03, and we're thinking about heading to dinner soon. We want to go out to eat. It was raining earlier, but I don't think it's raining anymore. It's just dark outside, but I think that we're gonna go to get tapas, maybe something. I am just trying to decide, but I will update you guys when we are at dinner.
These days, it's not easy.
To a supermarket, got my Skittles and my water. Hi guys, so I'm gonna make this clip short because, as you can see, my light needs to be replaced, so it's flickering, and that's probably really annoying to watch. But I'm back in my bed. I just took a shower and it is like 1 in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm waking up around like 9:30 tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go run some errands around the city. Then I think I want to get paella for lunch, but I also want to cook lunch. I watched Stranger Things with my roommates and it was so much fun, and I had some sour Skittles, but they're different in Spain. They don't have like any sour coating. They're just like smooth, but on the inside they're sour. It's so cozy in my bed, and I have my little desk area over there with my water that I bought and my sour Skittles. My towel's drying. Just need to fix this little box, but it's looking amazing, and this bed is so comfy, and I'm just like about to pass out and sleep. So love you guys. I will talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye. Bye.